unpacking my Banjo and barometer clock. You notice what they did? They did a heck of a job. I mean, there's all kinds of packing material in this box. But when you get to the items themselves, they butted them up and they wrapped them with this thin packing material. So when I undo this, if my dial is broken, I'm going to be upset. They better hope that my dial is not broken on my Banjo clock. This is stupid. This is just plain stupidity on their packers. You see all that glass? Talk about thank God my dial is not broken. Thank God none of this is broken. You Goodwill people got lucky, because I would have been mad and I'd be complaining.